Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set camera timer on Samsung phone. So if you use a Samsung Galaxy device and you want to take whether selfie or you want to use the rear camera to take a photo but on countdown mode, which is for you to set the timer, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to set camera timer on Samsung phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the camera app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now once you open the camera app, make sure you select photo. So if you are away from portrait or photo, video, just make sure you go back to either photo or portrait. If you try to do this on video, you will not be able to do that. So select whatever that has to do with the camera instead of video recording. Then once you selected photo or portrait, locate and click on the timer icon on the top navigation here. Then once you selected, you should see 3 options pop. On the options, you have 2 seconds countdown, 5 seconds countdown, and 10 seconds countdown. Now go ahead and select your countdown option. Once you selected that, then you want to focus on the object you want to snap or you want to position your camera firmly. Then click on the shutter button. Then you should see the countdown begin. Then once the countdown is done, the camera shutter button will be automated. That is it. So that is basically how to set camera timer in Samsung. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.